Hello there, how are you doing today? Welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed before, kindly subscribe and also put on the notification. I'll be offering you free educational courses on how to make money trading crypto and forex. I'll also offer you trading signals, simple to follow for beginners with entry prices, take profits and stop loss daily, 3 to 5 signals, only scalp signals and short-term profit. Accuracy is 95 to 100%. Kindly click the link below to join the free forex and crypto trading. There are two links. One is for forex and one is for crypto. If you like the two, join the two and benefit from the free signals. So let's get started. We are going to see how to place a trade. We will use one of the signals here from my free forex signal, cash for coins forex VIP signal. It's free to join. I just created it newly. 3 subscribers now. Free to join. I'll be adding more members just free of charge. So we are going to use one of these signals here. It says CHFJPY buy. The price is near horizontal support structure. RSI shows east way oversold. Rebound is highly likely. Time frame is 1 hour chart. Entry at market price. Entry price is what? At market price. So we go to MetaTrader 4. We search for CHFJPY. We check on it. CHFJPY, this is it. We click on chart. As you can see, it's actually going up immediately. It says we should enter from market price. We click and then say trade. It says we should buy, right? Then click on buy. That's it. So when you click on trade, as you can see, the trade is running. We clicked it immediately. So that's how to place a trade. It's very easy to place a trade. If you want to close it, you click and hold it. You can click on close and then close with a loss. It's already in loss. When we leave it for a while, it will go up and we have some profit. You can click on close here. That is how to close a trade. That is manually. If you want to set up take profit and stop loss, that is another case. So if we do it again, like clicking here and then clicking on trade, if you want to apply stop loss and take profit immediately, instead of clicking it without applying it, you just click on what? Under stop loss, you click on stop loss. From here, it says that the stop loss should be below support structure. Therefore, we are going to view the chart and check the support structure. The support structure is here, is closer below 138.6. So we are going to say, let it be 1.8. Sorry, let it be, the stop loss be 138.6. 138.6. This is it, 138.6. Then what is the TP, which is the take profit? The take profit is going to be 139.3. that is the first TP. 139.7 second TP, and 140.5, 140.25, that is the third TP. Let's put it as the second TP, 139.7, 139.7. Then we click on buy. So this method is adding TP and stop loss at the point of market execution. Because if you look at the signal, it says we should we should enter at market price. That's entry at market price. Then if you have already created a trade or entered a trade without putting the stop loss and take profit, what are you going to do? You click on the trade. Like, is it this one? Yes, this particular one. This one has no stop loss and no take profit. If you click on this, you say it has stop loss and take profit already, and it is run. You just leave it to either it will go to the take profit, and then it will close automatically. So this particular one, we click and hold it, or tap and hold, and then click on modify. That is how to modify your TP and your take profit. If you want to modify any trade, tap and hold, and then you see the options. We click on modify. We enter the stop loss. We say 138.6, right? And then 139.7. That is where we want to take the second TP. You can also leave it to third TP, but always be sure you can be monitoring it to and keep on modifying it to be able to secure some profit if the price is going up or going to your favor and you're having some profit already. So after making the entries, you then click on modify. So we have talked about how to enter trade, how to enter trade with stop loss and take profit, and then how to modify a trade. So we are going to talk about the different types of order types. See you on the next lesson. Thank you. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Remember the following and click the link below to join the free signals. One is for Forex and another one is for crypto. Join two of them if you want to make money in two of them. Thank you.